Hey guys, Tony here. Welcome to another video. I've just bought this Insta360 camera and I'm outside enjoying the beautiful weather in Sydney. It has been raining relentlessly for the last couple of weeks, so it's really nice to be outside. Normally, I would be filming my videos inside in my home theatre room or my studio, but it's such a nice day today that I thought I'd go for a walk. Sorry if there's any wind. I don't have my microphone adapter for the 360 yet, but what I thought I'd do is just go through some of the things that I've got planned for my home theatre. Now, anyone that watches my videos will know that recently I got the bucket list item, which was the Trinnov Altitude 16. And it has 16 channels, obviously, and it will take up to 7.3.6, which is what my room currently has. However, Trinnov have added the ability to go to 20 channels by using the SP diff ports. There are two on the back of the Trinnov. And if you go with something like a Dacmagic, which will do digital to analog conversion and has XLR outputs, you can actually put two, because there's two ports at the back, and you can output up to 4 speakers. So what my plans are, after my friend Leo, he's experienced my room and he was saying, look, I think you would do well with front wides. Anyone that knows me knows my obsession with speakers. So it wasn't too difficult to convince me that I needed to do it. So I am going to go with 9.4.6. I'm going to get an additional subwoofer and I'm also going to add front wides. So the front wides that I'm going to go with are the Krix Hyperphonix 45s. And the Hyperphonix 45s allow you to angle the speakers towards the main listening position. They are an on-wall speaker, so they bolt onto the wall. So I am going to show you what I managed to get done in my room. Yesterday, I had my electrician friend Min come over and he managed to put the 2 additional cables in. There were a couple of issues which I'll show you. He also managed to change my HDMI over to 2.1 because that is something, hey Chris, that is something that I was meaning to do. And so I got that done, and I have HDMI 2.1 8K cable as well as 2 additional wires for my front wires. So I'm going to take you in to the home theatre and let's take a look. So guys, now we're in my home theatre and I'll show you exactly what I got done. If you have a look up there, you'll see a cable coming in from the ceiling. Unfortunately, because there's a window behind there, they pretty much boarded it all the way up with timber. So we couldn't actually drop a cable between the jib rock, or the sheetrock as you call it in America, down and around. So the compromise was we put it up there and then I'll run some black conduit. I mean, when the lights are off, you can't even see. And we had to do the same thing on this side because there's a door and a door frame. So there is no way to pull a cable down. It's literally blocked off. So these are the small compromises that you have to make. Once I put a little bit of conduit there, little slimline black piece of plastic, and I'm going to snake it down pretty much to around here. There is a timber right there, so I'll be able to bolt the Hyperphonix 45s onto that and then aim them towards the main listening position right there. So that's what I got done, as well as I had a 2.1 HDMI 8K cable put in as well in preparation for potentially either a video processor or a new projector. At the moment, there isn't much on the market that can compete with the Epson for this throw distance. There literally is nothing on the market. Even the JVC MP5, which I was looking at, cannot do this distance. I'd have to go to a smaller screen, like a 100-inch screen for this distance. It's only, I think, 3.6 meters from the front of the projector to the screen. So that's been done. I also have another subwoofer port down the bottom there. So that's in preparation for the additional subwoofer. I've got the Krix Volcanic Slim over there. And I will also probably change the speakers behind the curtain there because I have to keep opening them up when I want to watch something. I'll probably change those over as well to the Hyperphonix 45 so that we can get matching all the way around. The rear speakers I'm leaving for the moment. Even the surrounds I'm leaving for the moment because money, I've got to save. I don't use my income to pay for all this stuff. It's all done through nickel and diming and through YouTube AdSense revenue basically. So let's take a look at the speakers behind my screen. I managed to put a hinge on them and you can see them there. That's the wall of sound as it's been coined many times. The Krix wall of sound, it's an MX10s. with spacer panels to pull a little bit more space between the left and right and the center channel. It's the infinite baffle wall configuration, as has been shown on my channel many times. And these speakers sound sensational with the Trinnov, and with having the front wides, it's just going to have a nice seamless pan from there all the way to the surround. You can see it's still a fair way. So it'll be around that point near the door, because obviously I can't put it any closer, which is fine. But yeah, this setup to me just gives such an awesome immersive experience in the room. And when there's new movies, like I can't wait for Top Gun 2 to arrive. It should be here tomorrow, the disc. I've held out watching it on streaming or at the cinemas. I'm waiting for the disc to come, and it should be coming tomorrow. And I'll have my friends Leo, Matt and Ben over, and we will watch it in this room with the Trinnov, which should be cool. So I guess in conclusion, thanks for watching this video. It's a little different to my regular videos, which are all scripted and B-roll and as much fancy editing as I can. This is just a way for me to let you guys know about what I'm doing in this room, if you're interested, of course, and to test out the Insta360 camera, because I plan to be using this camera in a lot of my videos, especially when I'm going out and about and filming home theater tours. I think this would be a great camera to do that, because it has such a wide field of view. So guys, again, thanks for watching. Like the video if you liked it. If you didn't, let me know what you didn't like about it down in the comment section below, and I'll take that feedback on board. Got thick skin, so let me know. But yeah, like the video, subscribe if you're not already, and you'll catch me in the next video. Bye for now.